What's up, fam? It's your boy Vic. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we're going to be on our way to Caffeine and Octane, and they got a new layout that they have now, so it's hopefully it's not complicated, but it's just on the flip side of the actual mall. So we're gonna see how that goes. Hopefully there's no complications as we get there, but let's give you guys a cold start real quick of this sexy baby, and let's get this show on the road. All right. Alright fam, so we made it out to Caffeine and Octane, and shoot, we parked right over there, actually right where they usually park from the other side. All that over there used to be where they were at, but they changed it all the way towards this way, the back side of the mall. So we're gonna go check these cars out, featuring special guest the broski right there, and that broski, y'all better follow them dudes. It's Hector on wheels, and then my bro Ramiro Melendez. We out here grinding. Let's get to these rides, all right? Ari, what? That ain't clean. Yeah, it's Ferrari. All right, fam. So after walking about half a mile, just kidding, it's not that far, but we walked around. I think this is where it starts. I remember seeing the map, but I don't know exactly what it was anymore. I can't remember it. Whoa! What's up, dog? So, like I said, we saw the map, but we're not sure if this is where to start at. But the good thing about this is the shade's out, so, and it's hot outside, so we get some shade, and it's dope is free. So let's go check out these cars, see what kind of dope stuff we get into. Yeah, it's Evo. It's Evo. Dope. That thing clean. Look, you might have some sauce. Thing's clean. It says STY. Alright, so I think we made it to the supercar section. You know you made it when you see these Lamborghinis and Porsche and Vipers and all that good stuff. Let's go check these babies out. There's so many people though, it's crazy. There's a lot of Vipers today. It's a whole lineup. Then you get to the Ferraris. You got that Ferrari, which is leaving. It's a little McLaren. It's another Lamborghini. So I'm guessing we're in the right spot. The interior clean though. Porsche gang, I guess we made it to the Porsche side. So now we're passing through the Porsche section, and they're pretty clean. Supercar section and Porsche section as usual. Just like I said, in different direction. This thing's pretty fly. Got a big old wing gang. Alright, so we made it out to, I guess, the import slash old cars, old classic cars. Check out Supra. Dang, automatic, but still clean. And another Supra. Supra? That thing's clean. Uh oh, and it's 6 years. It is nice. Dang, Supra. This one's built. They got a big old turbo. You got cams and everything. Wonder how this sounds. That thing's sick. Excuse me. Let's see if it's. Uh oh, stick shit. Heck yeah. Hey, big booty. Woo. Say 2JZT. Uh-oh, GTR booty. And clean. And the interior nice. Got the cage and everything with the seats. Oh, dang. RB26. Turbo. I don't know what size that is, but that's clean. Alright, I think we made it to the classic slash show car section. And it's got a newer Corvette motor into it. LS3. That thing's nice. Excuse me. That's a little truck. Man, that thing's whipping for real. Yep, definitely in the classic section. I'm guessing the showcase section's over here somewhere. But that thing nice too. Oh, these got these LS swaps, man. Alright, Phil. So we out here met with this homie right here.
So here the homeboy.
Say hi. Go ahead. Tell me your YouTube, man.
Well, we're both blogging at the same time. Go ahead and check out my channel, High Life Tuners 1. Check out all my videos. And also subscribe to my homie right here, man.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe to this man right here, as well as mine. And shoot, we're gonna check out some more cars, alright? So we're gonna get to it. They got the lineup. There's an R31, R32, R33. Damn, these things are clean. It's one of my friends, he from like Douglasville, I think. The thing's dope street. This R33 fly though. Damn, this one. Yeah, this R33 is pretty clean. It's nice. Yeah. That booty. Skyline booty. Dang, Matt. I didn't know you changed the color. Changed it red. This thing's sick. Red's my favorite color, so it's definitely nice. Yeah, it's got the carbon fiber wing and everything. That thing clean. The red is a whole lot better. Or it's just a wrap. Yeah, it's just a wrap. It's not actual paint. It's a lot cleaner red. That's for sure. You got the carbon fiber fender right there. That stuff's sick. Damn, that's nice. That is clean. So it was red, but you wrapped it white. Original color is red, correct? Mac Tech. That's sick though. I like it. Out here getting shot. That man got the Gapplebee sauce.
Yeah, no, y'all. I got the Gapplebee sauce out here.
For real. That thing crazy. I'm about to head down for something serious. Yeah, this Focus R is sick. It's like stripped out for track. This thing's sick. Problem is this lighting is balls. So it's like once you go inside with no light, it's all dark. But it's clean RS though. Definitely track material. Heck yeah, it's clean as a mud. Got a diffuser and all that good stuff. This thing's sick. So this man right here is going to provide us with a little video of a 240 getting sideways up in the parking deck over there.
Just a little content. Just a little content.
It was awesome. It was pretty sick.
Hey, make sure you tell me your Instagram or your
Hey Stanley 10, I think. Add me.
Make sure you follow the man.
Sandy Springs Exotics.
Hey, follow this man as well. But some dope content for you guys. I'm gonna put the video up for you guys so you guys see it. Make sure you subscribe, as he said.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Send it. Send it. Send it.
Oh!
Y'all just wait until y'all see me pull up in this baby right here. All the girls in this thing. All the chicas in here. That thing dope. Thing's clean. Y'all see me pull up in that, y'all make sure y'all hop in, alright, so this next car right here, I don't know what it is, but you guys can help me if you know what it is. This thing's crazy. It's like bagged out, convertible and everything. This thing's clean. That's crazy. Sick. Yeah. It's like a Lamborghini. I don't know, mixed up with something. That's sick. It's nasty. I guess it's a Lambo. That front end throwing me off. That's sick. Go ahead, get up in there for the AC. Free AC.
Get out of here, guys.
Hot, boy. We out here borrowing AC from Lincoln Navigator. He gonna close the door.
He's just like,
Alright, we'll see you later.
where's the open door?
About to see if we can get some action on the side of the road over here. It's a different side this time, but hopefully we get some action this time as well. It's a little different. This layout is definitely a little bit more difficult right now. They're gonna get into more trouble considering that parking deck, like I was showing you guys, the guy's drifting. That crap's crazy. But that parking deck is gonna get them in trouble like crazy. But we about to see if we can get some pulls out here, see if it gets a little fly. What I'm talking about. To be honest, it's so much nicer out towards this side of the street, and I don't really see no cops, but dang, it's lit. Hey. Normal pulls, man. Cop done pulled up on us, fam. What the freak? Oh. That is nice. Somebody's gonna get pulled over. Every Volkswagen. Alright, familia, that concludes the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And this layout of Caffeine Octane is a bit weird, but it's pretty dope since it's in the back, so we have more shade if it's ever too hot. And it could get into more trouble, so it cause complications being right next to that parking deck. Well, people can just do almost whatever as long if there's no cops. But overall, it's pretty dope. Make sure you follow the bros. We look clean out here. But appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that dope stuff to help a brother out. And we'll see you guys later on the flip.